Hi crafty friends, it's Audra Monk the Crafty Yogi and welcome to the Crafty Corner. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super cute, let's see, can I get it to focus on it? Super cute daffodil paper flower. And I made these because I made this really pretty spring wreath. And you see the flowers right there. This wreath we'll be making it at the end of March in the home decor class, and the wreaths and the tutorial will be available for purchase on marylandstampers.com. Okay, but the flowers, let's talk. So I saw a post from a Tracy Elsom from Canada, and she did have a link to a blog, but it described how to make the backs, which was very helpful, but it didn't describe how to make the center. She said she used a 1-inch punch. So I had to play with it a little bit, and I came up with what worked for me. I'm fiddling with it. There we go, because we have to use glue to attach it. So what you need are the 1-inch punch and the perennial flower punch. Both are in the annual, can you see? There we go, annual catalog. And this makes a 3 little thing. I used this when we made that gnome at Christmas time. I used it for the feet. So it's a very easy to use punch. And what you get from it is this. You get a little 3-sided flower. We need 2 of those, and this is Daffodil Delight. Now you can play with the colors. I Googled daffodils, and the second picture I saw was the ones with the yellow outsides and then the orangey center. So that's what I went with on my project. So 2 petals and 1 1-inch circle. Okay, and then you need some Mango, and this is Mango Melody. Sorry if I didn't say that. You need some Mango Melody ink and a sponge dauber or a sponge, because you're going to ink the edges. So there's no stamping in this, which is kind of fun sometimes. So you're just going to ink the pointy part, and I just kind of take it and snick it along the edges there. And you're going to do all 6. So there's no stamping, but you need some other stamping tools. All right, and then you're going to ink all the way around your circle. So she didn't have instructions on how to make the center, and this is what I came up with. There may be a better way, but this is what I did. Okay, so we can get rid of that. Then we got to add a little bit more ink before we play with this. You're going to use, I just used my dark Mango Melody Stampin' Blends marker, and that's what she said. Well, she said she used Mango Blend marker. I don't know which one it was. Okay, so then you're going to draw 3 lines from the center. It doesn't have to be super official. There may possibly be a stamp that would work in the set this comes with, but I will just tell you this is way faster, I think. So 3 little lines. Keep your marker. We're going to use it one more time in a moment. Okay, next you need a foam, you see that? Yeah. You need a foam, what is this? Piercing mat. Okay. Blah, blah, blah. So that's going to pierce. All right, let's do that first. Now let's do the flowers first. Okay, so then you need your bone folder. Hold this from the back and very gently with your bone folder, curl those petals forward. Okay, and you can curl them more, you can curl them less, whatever works for you. You might experiment. I made 5 of them for that wreath, and it was just really fun, and they're all a little bit slightly different. Okay, those are curled. Now this, you don't need your bone folder anymore. What I did was I thought about those daffodils that to me it's like a trumpet. It's like a circle. So I took a Stampin' Right marker, but you could use any kind of pen, probably, you know, the end of an aqua painter. You could use a pencil. But anyway, this is a flat bottom, and I put it right in the center. And then on my foam pad, this is why you need the foam pad, or something similar, I push down. So see, I could get it in there. And then what you get, oops, sorry, it's flying around here, is some little folds. And then you take your snips. So I did it from the back, so you could see all those folds. And I just snipped every other one. Oh, so this one only gave me 3. Sometimes you do it and you'll get more. So you snip that. Okay, we can get rid of the foam. All right, so next you need your glue. And then what you're going to do is take it and fold it in, and you're going to glue those up. And that's what's going to make it that trumpet shape. You don't need a lot of glue, okay? And then half the work will be getting the glue to dry. So 1 little dot, fold this over, and hold. See how that glue's squirting out? You don't really want that to happen. So even less glue. Fold it over and hold. And you can't go to the next one. You got to hold it and chat with your friends or watch your TV, sing a song. Okay, we'll do the next one. And you might play with which piece is going to go, I like that better on the outside. Which piece is going to go on the outside and which piece is going to go on the inside. And it might be different every time. I mean, kind of like nature. I feel that when you're paper crafting, sometimes it doesn't always come out the same. And then that dot of glue, oops, and it's going to glue to your fingers, but you could do it. I mean, I did 5 yesterday, and it wasn't too bad to do a bunch in a row. And it's so pretty. So, I mean, you could put this on a card, yes, but you can't mail it if it's on a card. So I'm just thinking like home decor or little projects you're going to have around the house. And I think I want it that way. Okay, so I'm going to fold it over. One more dot of glue, and then we'll be done with the glue part. Okay, just a little dot. But yeah, you could, I love daffodils when they come up around the neighborhood. I need to plant some. Oh, that dot came apart. Okay. I used to have them at my old house, and now I've been here 5 years and I don't have any. So maybe this will be the year. This fall, I will plant my bulbs. Well, I'll buy some bulbs and plant them. Okay, let's see if I got, there we go. Now we're in business. And so then you get this kind of little cup piece. All right, and then I take the marker again because I just thought it adds a little more dimension. You could use a sponge dauber, maybe. If you did it at the beginning, you could, but I just color in the bottom, just like that. So it's pretty low tech, pretty easy. And then let's look at how to put it together. Okay, so my favorite way, I played with it a couple of times yesterday, and I like a dimensional between the petals. Let's see if I can get it on there even. And you want them to go the opposite way. And then I like a glue dot on the bottom of the trumpet. Oops, and I felt it pop. And if it pops, you can always add glue back. Let's see if I can get it to stay. There we go. And then that gives you a cute little daffodil. So there you go. Relatively easy peasy, not too hard, a little tricky on the glue. If you, of course, come up with a better way, share it. Let me know. That's what crafting is all about, is sharing. I'm going to glue that one again, but isn't that cute? So there you go. A couple daffodils. That's how you do it. Thank you for stopping by, and I'll see you next time. Stay crafty.